Hey guys, welcome back to Just My Luck. Today we're going to be doing some trailer repair. So one of my trailers for a while had a bent cross member beam. So one of my clientele, he was saying like, hey, this jack's starting to get loose, one of the nuts fell off. So it's time to actually tackle it. Let me show it to you guys. So as you can see, that thing is bent. This cross member here is bent. It's bent. It's basically I just kept tightening down the nuts. And I went to see if I could find that. It looks like a rolled form beam. I thought it was a channel. The guy told me it was a rolled form beam. So I tried finding this rolled beam here. Big Tex, any dealership, part dealerships, they don't sell that part for some reason. So I went to a metal fabricator or a metal supplier, and they had these two scraps. This is, I think it's like 2x6x17. So excuse the noise. My neighbor's over there doing some ADU construction. So yeah, basically just for now, I'm gonna be just cutting off the top to bottom. So there's these welds, right, on both sides. And then underneath, it's like, I don't know, 3 inches maybe. So I got my Milwaukee grinder, got my Miller welding hood. So let's get to it. Okay guys, I was going after the welds, but the welds were too thick. So I ended up deciding to cut off the bolts off the jack. They got the washer, retaining washers, Loctite. So I just went off to cut off the head. And yeah, just removed the bottom of the jack and pulled it right off. Check this out. Continue removing this cross member. I bought a couple goodies. So I've always used like the thinner cutting disc versus like a grinding disc, but apparently I'll eat up a lot more of that weld if I use a grinding disc. And I bought a couple cutting discs. So I was like, oh man, I want to keep switching through them. So brought out my second grinder. This is my emergency grinder if I ever destroy the first one. So now we just brought it out. Just go ahead and install the blades. Check this out. Bam. I always lose these things, dude. You know, I was like, oh, those are not important. Just throw them in there. I always lose them. I always have to Mickey Mouse them. This OG grinder, we're gonna go ahead and use a cutting disc. And basically, what we want these for is to cut the welds on the cross member. You know, I know technically that's the strongest part, but that's the part we need to remove. I should be cutting, well, always wear your PPE. I even got gloves. At the beginning of the video, which was the other day, I didn't have any gloves, so I got some. Let's put that down. Oh, that's not good. I guess I just seated down, right? I think I put the retainer on backwards. There we go. Got a little too excited. Put it on the right way. A lot better, a lot tighter. So that's done. Now it's good to go. I don't know what this is. I'm assuming it's some kind of storage cap. It comes like on a new Milwaukee's, but I don't know, because you can't really put it on the other side. Maybe you could store your blade with it. Looks kind of janky. I'm assuming it's just a protection for the metal, or maybe you're not, when you can't lay it on other metal, but we're not going to use it. I like to remove the battery so I don't accidentally push a button, takes my fingers off. Okay. Thicker grinding disc. This one I will put on backwards so it can have a better bite. As you can see behind me, there's one of my favorite machines, a Bobcat skid steer. My neighbor, they said that they're repairing they're having issues with drainage, but they destroyed the concrete in their garage, the whole driveway. just to put some kind of drainage from the garage to the street, which I'm pretty sure they're just doing an ADU conversion to. So